Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but Shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio license an riway khandai pra. Ka Kunhun Menteri Joko Sorkar Jila kala Shem ya karai men Pyrkhing no ya ka Jingleit Shimenta Juki Ophisar ha ki Jingïalang ki pelong Shabar kari India. Uno ai kitien Joko Sorkar Jila ba polling do ha ka Jingïalang gila pathai ko bor ha ka khatwei trik unailar araja pulai. Ulai thu balada ki jo ki Ophisar Sorkar ki le Shimenta ha ki Jingïalang ki pelong Shabar kari India ha ka sien ka baar kin hab ban pha shwa ningkong ya ka progress report jong ka Jingïalang ka ningkong bat hadien kata on dala ai jingmunjur ken sala bandai Shimenta ha ki Jingïalang ki baar ulai thu ru ba ka Kunhun Menteri kala Shem ya karai ba ka Sorkar kala ban bei pisa tang ha ka Jingleit ka ningkong bat ha ka Jingleit ka baar dei ban bei pisa da ka Sorkar India bat ki Kunhun ki ba pelong ya ki Jingïalang shu ulai thu bala Shem ya ni karai khnang ban pendunai ka jingkta ka platengka ka Sorkar Jila.
Of course, several of these visits are on the basis of invitations, conferences, delegations, and so on and so forth in pursuing various programs like externally aided projects, training and capacity building programs, etc. But taking into account the fiscal limitations and also the need to rationalize these visits, it was decided that henceforth foreign visits of any official of the state government, including contractual staff, will be limited to 2 visits per financial year. It was also decided that if the same official has to undertake the second visit, he should first submit progress report of the first visit, and on his ability to submit a satisfactory report with tangible results, then only the second visit will be cleared. And also we have decided that the state government can sponsor only 1 visit, and the next will have to be borne either by Government of India or an external agency. And the only exception will happen if that official is visiting a foreign country to receive an award on behalf of the government of Meghalaya. So these were the major decisions taken at today's cabinet meeting. There have been umpteenth requests and visits undertaken by several such officials, which only needed the clearance of the Chief Minister. But today, in order to, as a prudent fiscal measure, the Cabinet decided to rationalize such visits, reduce their frequency to 2, and also obtain progress reports so that there is no wasteful expenditure of the public exchequer. As you are aware, this is tied to clearance by the MEA, and recently, as I briefed you a couple of weeks back, the MEA has come up with very stringent conditions for even clearing such proposals of visits. So this includes even the Chief Minister. They will come under this particular decision. That will be 1 official, 1 visit based on submission of a satisfactory progress report. Yes. It's precisely because of the frequency of visits seemed irrational that we decided to rationalize it.
And how many such cases, more or less?
We can only say that the frequency does not match with the results, so we decided to rationalize it. Well, in certain cases, reports have been submitted. In certain cases, there's no such reports were made, or maybe the reports were not satisfactory, because we are driven by the need to achieve results. So what we're saying today is that official, that minister has to show results when undertaking an official visit.